Hey there, and welcome to the Plug-in Duo. My name is Christine, and behind the camera is my husband Julio. And we are excited about this collaboration with the brand Asoko, which is also featured on Amazon. And I have to say, their product really blew us away. So let's go ahead and dive on into the details of this amazing light bar. But before we move on, I just want to give a big shout out and a big thank you to Asoko for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. So what's inside of the package? Well, let's go ahead and take it out and let's find out. All right. Well, you get one under cabinet sensor light bar with an 1100 milliamp rechargeable lithium ion battery. You also get two metal clips with 3M double-sided tape attached, one USB-C cable, and one easy to read product manual. So now let's talk about the aesthetics and how slim and easy to use this light bar is. The body is made up of aluminum and plastic, and that lightweight design makes it easy to install and use virtually anywhere. And I have to mention, the modern style is perfect for mixing it in with your decor, which honestly to me, that's very important because I really do try to match my decor in our home. And I feel like this fits perfectly with my decor. The light features 33 impressively bright LED beads that are lined on the sides of the unit at a maximum of 150 lumens at 4500K color temperature. And I love that you can choose either white, warm, or warm white light settings to whatever occasion you need it for, or whatever is most appealing to your eye. And let's not forget to mention, the light bar is slim and can easily be hidden in most setups. So let's go ahead and move on to the next. How do you set it up and how do you use it? The magnetic design really makes it perfect for an easy install and the ability to use it anywhere. So what does that mean for the user experience? Simple, no screws, no drills, and most important, no cables to mount and hide. You just stick it on any cabinet or dry surface and detach it from the magnetic base to charge the light bar. So when you want to use that dimming feature, just long press the function key to choose the desired brightness. And to navigate through the various light colors, quick press to switch. With this light bar, you get two working modes. The first mode is the motion sensor mode, which will turn on when someone walks by at about 10 feet, and then it will turn off at about 25 seconds with no motion detected. I'm going to short press 4 for the first time to enter normal light mode. Short press 4 the second time to enter induction mode. The lights flash twice. Then we're going to short press 4 for the third time to enter shutdown mode. The light flashes once. Okay, so now we're in induction mode, which should allow us to use the motion sensor. So let's see if we can figure this out. There you go. Okay. So it seems like you have to have it in a pretty dark area in order for it to pick it up. We'll definitely have to mess with this. So if you keep moving within the sensing range, the light will stay on. But keep in mind, the position you place it in definitely plays a role to maximize full capabilities. And that second mode is the always on mode, which keeps the light on for about 7 hours. So let's talk about charging. When it comes to charging, you are able to fast charge using a USB-C standard port, which is a great feature, and it only takes 3 hours to fully charge, giving you up to 30 days on motion sensor mode or 5 hours always on mode. Since taking it out of the box and learning how to use the simple functions, I would have to say the amazing part is the versatility of this product and the fact you can use it in different settings and scenarios, which we were eager to showcase as part of this video. out Asoko on Amazon as well as their website, asokohome.com, for more of their awesome products. All the links will be down in the description section. And at time of filming, a single light bar costs $18.99, which is a great price. And Asoko also has a pretty good deal of getting 3 for $39.99. So let's do a quick recap. Here are some of the special features. You have 3 light color options. It's dimmable 10 to 100%, and that makes it wonderful in low light settings, and it's not harsh on your eyes. It's cordless, it's rechargeable, so you have the flexibility of using it anywhere. And let's not forget to mention the motion activated feature, which makes it conveniently hands-free. Thank you so much for watching, and a big shout out to Asoko for sponsoring this video. Check out our other videos of amazing reviews and unboxings of cool tech and gadgets from a his and her point of view. Take care, and we here at the Plug-in Duo will see you the next time we plug in. Bye.